Today is Saturday, May 6th. I've gone ahead and found the burnt circuitry after spending a couple days tracing the burnt wire, and replaced the burnt fuse in the inline receiver to the fuel pump, and rechanged the circuitry for the ECU that was shorted from the short wire that was discovered to be underneath the dash. So there's the inline fuse that was replaced, and there is the ECU unit. Let me get back up there. There we go, right there. Okay, and we had a trace an electrical short over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do a start. Have not replaced the injectors yet. And the car is starting. Having difficulty staying on, so we're going to do the injectors now. But we're over the big hurdle in terms of the ECU being repaired, the electrical short being found, and after tracing for a couple days, changing the inline fuse, recalibrating the ECU, which had a bad IC, and as a result of that, traced short from everything that was done underneath the dash by the previous mechanic. So, okay, the next thing is the injectors. So we've got the engine starting and running. She's running rich, which is why she's running off and shutting off. And we'll go ahead and put the correct injectors, because currently the car has the wrong injectors. Today's Saturday,